So guys, if you want to copy and paste an entire worksheet from Excel with the formulas and the settings, for the first step, once you have an Excel document open, you want to head over to search and type in Excel, click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on blank workbook, or you can select the Excel worksheet that you already have. And now once you're on a second worksheet, you want to hover over the minimize button in the top right, and then this will come up. You want to click on the one which has two halves. I'm going to be going with the right half. And now all the applications that you have on your computer is going to open up. So now I'm going to be selecting my other Excel document. And now it's going to be like this. I have my first Excel document that I want to copy and paste everything into this one. And now once you have this, on the left workbook, you want to click on the arrow right here in the top left. Click on this, which will then highlight everything. Now you want to right click on the arrow and then click on copy. Now we're going to go back to the second workbook. You want to left click on the arrow, which will then highlight everything. Now you want to right click on the arrow and then click on paste. This one right here, and then that's how you do it.